Form is the structure of a piece. You can think of dividing form into macro and micro timings. Beats are fractions of a second, phrases are the length of a long breath, and pieces can be many hours long. Successful works play with our expectation of tension and release at all levels. Form can be seen as a series of strategies designed to find a successful mean between the opposite extremes of unrelieved repetition and unrelieved alteration. Too much the same equals boring equals bad. Too much difference equals frantic equals bad. The ideal to work towards is a balance of repetition and contrast in sections. Think of how strong and weak sounds contribute to climax and repose. There should be high energy sections and low energy sections. High energy doesn't necessarily mean loud volume. It means that there's a lot of activity. There can be thick or thin texture. And think of how silence is used. Silence can be complete, or it can happen because one line drops out, leaving an absence. It's easy to get lost in the moment-to-moment process of a piece of music. The sound is unrelenting and there's too many details to remember. Therefore, I'll ask you to listen to a piece of music more than once, moving from the whole into the details. This week, you'll listen to a very silly remix of Bohemian Rhapsody with a crazy video. But if you pay careful attention to the video, you'll see that it's showing you the form of the piece. Try to relate the sections of the music to what you're seeing on the screen. Then, create your own score or formal diagram of a Bohemian remix of your choosing.